So let me start by explaining to you the difference in between a 10-in-1 screwdriver and a 5-in-1 screwdriver. They look the same. I was told that I don't see any difference in between them, but if you need to use them, you see the difference because the 10-in-1 gives you many more options, like the tips are different. Let's count how many functions in each one of them. The 5-in-1. The 5-in-1, let me go closer to you so you can see. The 5-in-1 have 5 different tips and tools that you can use. Like one side has flat on one, Phillips on the other side, the smaller type, Phillips and flat, small, and a socket. See? And then on this side, so we counted 3 on this side, and then here a big Phillips and a big flat, and the same socket, so you don't count this socket twice. So you have 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So you have 5 tools in one. So this is 5-in-1. Now let's count the 10-in-1. The 10-in-1. The construction is a little bit different because it adds some tools to the same. Here we go. So we have 2 types of socket. One side with this socket and this socket. So you can use 2 types of socket, which is the same on the other side, so you don't count twice. So you have 2 in here, plus 2 tips in here. This tip is a small Phillips and a small flat. And then on the other side of this, you have a bigger flat and a bigger Phillips. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools on this side. And on that side, you only count the tips because this is a repeat. So you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 total. 10 tools in one 10-in-1. I always add one more. I usually put some Allen wrenches that I use the most attached to mine because there's a socket on the side, and I put it so I can use it when I need. Now, the heavy duty, which is the same as a 10-in-1, but it's super reinforced. The steel is a different kind of steel that they put in it, and it's thicker. And you can see that you can even pry things with it. And still a 10-in-1, but with thicker steel. And I love this too. I carry it everywhere I go. I take one of these with me because you always can use this. And this is the heavy duty multi-tool.